Hi, I am Mrs. Brucker. I am your son or daughter's honors chemistry teacher this semester. And I just wanted to post this video to kind of introduce myself so you could see a face with the name and talk to you just briefly about how we have things organized in honors chemistry. So I've been teaching here at Naperville North now for 16 years. I've been teaching a total of 21 years. And before I was a teacher, I worked at Abbott Laboratories. So teaching is my second career. So I teach honors. That's my first period class. I teach something called advanced chemistry, which is for sophomores, juniors, seniors. And then I also teach AP chemistry. I teach AP chemistry. So what I want to share with you is the honors Canvas page, and you may have watched the video I sent out as well. Just want to kind of go over where things are organized so that you know ahead of time and can help at home. So we're going to have daily agenda, course materials, and calendars is going to be different for each class. So with the daily agenda, that's always going to be where students should start. This is where we're going to do whatever we have an in-class activity is going to be what we are doing in Zoom synchronously. And then for homework is going to be when they are not working with me, what they have to do. And so that's always going to be on the front slide for them to get to. Course material, I just linked it to the modules. Over here on the left-hand side, modules is another way you could get to it as well. So I put everything in this format so that kids could just go through the modules and find where the information is going to be. Now, one thing we do have in this course is the textbook. It is an online textbook. And so the kids have been logging on and they're starting to use it this week. So we're trying to see if we have any issues with them getting access to that textbook. So that seems to be going well, but that's going to be our textbook for this course. And then all of the material is going to be in modules. So like unit 1 is our first unit. We have a lab that we talked about a couple days ago. We have worksheets, and underneath the worksheets, we're going to have homework checks for them to submit things where they write out their answer and then take a picture and upload it. We're going to do that a lot in chemistry because it's very hard sometimes to write a lot of formulas and draw pictures. So we're going to have them do some of that. So this is going to be, again, in a module format for kids to follow. And finally, the last thing is my calendar. Now, my calendar is a Google document. It is changing on a daily basis, and that is because this year is so different. Most years we have a month planned out very easily, but this year, of course, with Zoom and with everything else, we're trying to figure out timing-wise how long do we have to do things with, and technology issues as well. So hopefully in the coming weeks we will have more things planned out, but do realize that the Google Calendar is manipulated on a weekly basis, so you might see things and then things disappear. That's just the function of what we are dealing with this year. So again, Ms. Brucker, I'm going to put my email along with this video so you could contact me if you have any questions. But thank you so much for watching and have a nice evening.